Hey, what's up guys? This DIY video is about how to change your oil on your E46 2002 BMW 330i. I will put a link, all the parts I used, in the description below. Warm up the engine for about 3 minutes so the oil will flow easier. Then park on a level ground to jack up the car. Ooh, I see oil stain. The oil pan is leaking on this car. I will be replacing the oil pan gasket soon. Remove the oil filler cap so the oil will flow faster. I used a 36mm socket to loosen the oil filter cap. Don't remove it all the way. Let the oil drain down to the oil pan. Always wear your safety glasses every time you go under the car. If you have this plastic cover, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove it so you can access the oil drain plug. Use a 17mm socket to remove the oil drain plug. Make sure to replace that crush washer with a new one. I always use my dog pee-pee pad to avoid oil spill. Clean the oil filter housing with a towel. Just pull out the oil filter from the oil filter cap. You need a little force to remove it. Now you have to remove those two O-rings. You have to buy those separately. Now lubricate those two O-rings with oil before installing to prevent them from cracking. Remove the big O-ring. This oil filter comes with an O-ring for the oil filter cap and a crush washer for the oil drain plug. Again, lubricate the O-ring with an oil before installing. Make sure to push it in all the way until it snaps into place. Torque it to 18 foot-pound. Don't forget to put the new crush washer. Torque it to 18 foot-pound. This car takes 6.9 quarts of oil. I use Mobil 1 5W30. Make sure not to overfill it. The oil level should be in between the minimum and the maximum indicator. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.